This is the WorldCraft replacement starter for Honda GXV 630, 660, and 690 engines. And if you're trying to decide between this and a Bosch replacement, here's why I'd consider this one. The first thing I look for is fitment. This starter is built as a direct OEM replacement, so the mounting holes, wiring connections, and 10-tooth drive gear are designed to match the factory starter. That means you shouldn't have to modify anything just to get it installed. Performance-wise, it's a 12-volt, 0.6 kilowatt, high-torque starter that's designed to crank reliably even in cold weather. If your equipment sits outside or only gets used seasonally, dependable starting can make a big difference. Compared to a Bosch starter, Bosch has an excellent reputation and has been around for decades, but in many cases you're paying a premium for the name. If you're simply replacing a worn-out starter on a Honda GXV engine, this WorldCraft model offers the same key features most people are looking for. OEM style fit, high torque starting, durable aluminum construction, and built-in protection against overload and electrical issues. Another thing I like is the maintenance-free design. Once it's installed, there aren't any adjustments or routine servicing to worry about. It's designed to work with the engine's original starting system right out of the box. So if I were choosing between spending more on a Bosch replacement or trying this WorldCraft starter, I'd probably choose the WorldCraft. It provides the features I need, installs like the original, and can save some money without sacrificing the functionality I'm looking for. If you need a replacement starter for Honda GXV 630, GXV 660, or GXV 690 engine, this looks like a solid option that's definitely worth considering.